So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege of introducing to you the latest addition to the Rock Solid inventory in this awesome Shelby Cobra replica kit car. This car comes to us a very nice driver quality example of these Cobra kit cars, finished in its silver metallic exterior paint with its gold racing stripes, gold with the polished lips, Scott Drake aftermarket wheels. You've got your Shelby, the correct polished side view mirrors, your 427 style side pipes, and the car is powered by a 365 horsepower 350 small block, backed by a TCI Transmissions Turbo 350 automatic transmission, so which is a very potent setup. Plenty to move this little car down the road with ease. In the interior, you have your correct leather bucket seats, shifter on the console, Autometer gauges with a GPS speedometer, and that 3-spoke faux wood NRG steering wheel is just a great look on this classic car. And not only is a great looking example of these Shelby Cobras, it's a great driving example as well. So we'll go ahead and get in and take it for a test drive.
Watch the snake bites.
Yeah.
And it's nice having seat belts.
It is. So yeah, now we're gonna go for a test drive in that awesome Shelby Cobra kit car.
And I don't care which kit it is. If they're built well, these are a fun car.
They are. And that small block, I mean, it's bump key. It fires right up. Great sound. Well, I mean, as soon as you have side pipes on a Cobra, I mean,
yeah,
they all sound good.
Transmission shifts just like it should.
Yeah, it's a TCI Racing's transmission. I mean, it shifts very smooth. There's no problem putting the power down. I mean, there's a lot of great name brand on this Cobra. Horsepower small block, you know, small lightweight fiberglass car. I mean, it's gonna have no problem going down the road. I mean, it effortlessly pulled this thing up to 60 miles an hour. Aggressive shift kit. I mean, it smoothly shifts. You barely feel this thing shift. But yeah, right now doing just under 60. And it's nicely equipped. It does not. It's manual steering, manual 4-wheel disc brakes with a Corvette independent rear suspension. So actually it handles better than the original Cobras did. Sure, but, yeah. Taking this turn at 60 miles an hour. You don't have any back end hop. Just comes around the turn. I'm gonna try to speak up. It's a little bit of a windy ride, which is fine with no top. But
you got full instrumentation, you know, oil pressure, water temp, charging, fuel gauge, tachometer, GPS speedometer, and all your gauges are functional and working.
Yeah. And GPS speedo is nice if you ever want to switch out your rear gears, tires, wheels. It doesn't matter. I mean, it goes off of the satellite. You got indicators on it, you got turn signals. Now the turn signals are mounted on the dash.
Easy to reach.
They are. It's actually a really easy, this car rides nice. You got coil-over suspension in the front, you got the Corvette leaf in the rear, that independent. I mean, it's not wandering, it's tight, it's
flangy. Lightweight roadster.
Yeah, I've been one finger on the steering wheel this entire time. It's not pulling me one way or the other. And it's got some nice fat tires, kind of have 4 corners.
Yeah.
But yeah, the 4-wheel disc brakes brings it to a halt. Easy.
Easy.
Yeah. Now the pedal setup is And I think it's mainly due to the bell housing on the automatic transmission. Your tunnel's a little wide, so your pedals are a little cramped to the left. You do have to 2-foot it. With the B&M shifter, it is a ratchet shifter, so if you want to shift sportingly, you can. Let that small block breathe a little bit.
GPS speedometer cannot keep up with the car.
No, I think it got up to about 70 there. No, but I mean, it gets after it. I mean, like a Cobra should.
Yeah.
I mean, a 365 is plenty of power. I mean, breaks the tires loose and sets you back in the seat, and you have to hang on. It is a short wheelbase car. But it is a ball. It makes the right noises.
And you know, it's a very nice driver quality car.
It is.
So, you know, if you're looking for a Cobra, that replica that's not going to break the bank, that is turnkey, ready to enjoy.
Anybody can drive.
And you can drive it anywhere. You want to take it to the grocery store, you want to take it to a cruise in, you're going to get thumbs up and hey man, cool car, wherever you go.
That color combo is striking. That silver metallic with the gold stripes and the gold Halibrand style wheels.
Oh yeah.
It's a great looking car.
So it's a perfect deal.
Yeah. I'm having a ball. You will too. You get behind the wheel of this thing.
Yeah.
Just, I mean.
And you can definitely tell the difference between an independent rear in one of these cars and a non-independent
And a straight
rear.
axle, yeah.
This car handles well.
It does. Yeah, great. No excuses. Driver quality Cobra. Yeah, if you're in the market for one, just a fun convertible, you're definitely going to want to look at this one. It's a lot of car for the money. Yeah. So definitely stay tuned for that walk-around inspection. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll go ahead and get into the walk-around inspection on the Shelby Cobra replica. And like we said earlier, this is a driver quality car. It has some miles on the build. It has been enjoyed. So you have a couple very minor defects, but it doesn't change the fact that this is a great looking Cobra. But coming into the front windshield, the only glass on this car, you have really no defects to note in the glass. Glass is nice and clear, no heavy chips or scratches. Your windshield surround is in very good condition. You do have some light kind of age starting to show. Lower surround, but very, very minimal. Your driver's side mirror is in very good condition. Your front left fender area is in very good condition.
The fiberglass throughout's in very good condition.
Yeah, the fiberglass actually throughout's in excellent condition. It's very straight, no heavy crack, no real cracks to even note. Your front left wheel's in very good condition. Man, these wheels look awesome on this car. Wrapped in the Nitto NT555 G2 tires. The driver's side of your hood's nice and straight. And those gold stripes really do just set off this car.
You have a black taped opening to the hood.
Coming down on the nose of the Cobra. Your bumperettes are in very good condition. Shine nicely. Might have some minor scratches. Your headlight bezels are showing some age. You do have some light pitting. Same with your turn signal bezels. And the nose does have some stone chips and maybe some bugs down low.
Very minor though.
Hashtag bumperettes. Comparable to the driver's side. Again, some minor age around the headlight bezel. And this headlight, I don't know, something got on and maybe burned on the lens. Coming into your passenger side front fender. Your front fender is nice and straight. You have a little stone chip here. I think there might be even a little defect in the paint right here. It's very minimal. Actually, I want to come back up to the front. There is some evidence of maybe someone burned through a little bit, buffing the car. It's a little thin in this spot, and there is a
chip that's been touched up.
About that big right there. But the rest of the paint's in excellent condition. Passenger side mirrors in very good condition. Do have, I believe, a little scuff right there below the mirror. And again, you do Have some paint chips around the door. Probably when they were first assembling it. But coming into your passenger side windshield, the glass is nice and clear. No heavy chips or major scratches. Door's nice and straight. Got a couple scratches here. While we're up here, there's a little paint defect.
Got some chips down there.
And one little paint defect there on the quarter. There you go.
Inside of the door, fiberglass is in very good condition. No paint loss. And you can see those chips in the paint that Tyler pointed out earlier. And you got a couple on the inside that the door covers. But your carpet's in very good condition, nice and black. No sun fade. Your passenger side seat showing very little wear. It's in very good condition. And your dash also is in very good condition. The painted portion of the dash is in very good condition. You got your B&M shifter, your Autometer gauges, your GPS speedometer.
And coming into the passenger side rear quarter, around the wheel opening is actually not too many stone chips to even really note. Quarter's nice and straight. The right rear wheel is in very good condition.
That might be dirt.
Coming across the rear of the Cobra. Stripes are in very good condition.
Authentic style gas cap.
We do have a couple defects in the paint just below the gas cap. Come in, your taillights are nice and clear. Same with your rear bumperettes, shine nicely, are in very good condition.
You do have a little paint chip there on the edge.
You do have, there's a little chip on this stripe there and an 1.5 inch long chip there at the trunk opening.
There's a little bubble in the paint right there.
Then I got another chip at the trunk opening there.
Bumperettes are in very good condition. Same with your tail lenses.
To your trunk compartment. Inside of your trunk lid's in very good condition.
Trunk fiberglass is in very good condition. There is sound deadening that's glued down.
Ready for you to finish it however you want.
Yeah.
Or leave it as is.
Drive and enjoy this baby.
Exactly. So coming into the driver's side rear quarter, and got a little scuff there. That's maybe a little nick there, but that's about all I'm really noticing back there. You do have a couple little chip there. There's gonna just show you that one coming. That's from the door rubbing. Got a little bit inside the door jamb. Maybe some light scratches in the top coat there.
Rear wheel in very good condition.
Absolutely. And your driver's side door is nice and clean.
Got some paint chips.
Yeah, at the door opening, just kind of like on the passenger side. You got one little defect on top of the door.
Inside of the door, fiberglass is in very good condition. Door openings in very good condition. You do have a little chip in the fiberglass. You got a little bit of wear down low, probably from getting in and out, but your driver's side carpet's in very good condition. The driver's side seat has a little bit more age than the passenger seat, but no tears, no holes. And the steering wheel is in very good condition. Same with the driver's side portion of the dash. Your polished chrome roll bar is in very good condition.
And come under the hood, you'll find the Blueprint Motors 365 horsepower 350 small block. Topped with a dual quad style air cleaner.
So the coil over front suspension.
You got dual electric fans, polished valve covers. So I'll go ahead and get in the Cobra, fire it up, and show you some lights working.
V8 just fires right up nice and smooth. No funny noises. No smoke out of the side pipes. No side pipes. Gives such an awesome Cobra style sound. Brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. All your lights work.
So if you're in the market for just a nice driver quality Cobra kit car, just something with 2 seats, a high horsepower V8 is a lot of fun. You're going to take a very close look at this Cobra kit car. It's a great driving example, one you don't have to break the bank. It's definitely a rock solid example. So definitely stay tuned. Rock solid Motorsports.